Thank you for your interest in summer term at UNLV. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a payment on MyUNLV. If you would like to know more about our summer term payment plans, please click this icon to watch our previous videos. To make a payment, log into MyUNLV with your NC student ID number and password. From your MyUNLV Rebel student homepage, click on the My Account tile. From the menu on the left, click on the Make a Payment link. You will be presented with a drop-down box with the payment options. Select your payment method, and then click the Confirm button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Your outstanding charges are listed on this page. Here you can enter the amount you want to pay. If you are on a payment plan, please check the monthly payment from your email and enter the amount in the box on the right. Once you've entered your payment amount, click the Confirm button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to continue. Now you are asked to confirm the amount you entered on the previous screen. Please review the amount you entered to ensure it's correct and click the Confirm button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you choose credit card as your method of payment, enter your credit card or debit card number in the box on the right. The university accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, BC Card, DynaCard, and American Express. Click the Continue button once you have entered your card account number to proceed to the account information page. Please enter all required information associated with the account and click the Continue button. The system will ask you to confirm the amount and card number that will be used for the transaction. Once confirmed, click the Submit button in the upper right-hand corner to complete the payment process. You are directed to your payment confirmation page, and now you have completed the payment process. We recommend you print a copy of this page for your records. If you wish to view your payment history, click the Payment History link from the list on the left. A complete listing of all of your previous payments will be listed in chronological order. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact our office by chat, email, phone, or schedule a video appointment with us.